you get scalding hot water like that, you're really gonna want to have some nice tea. Yeah, welcome to Do-It-Yourself Water Heater. Today we're going to learn how to maintain the water heater. And we got, cold water inlet, hot water outlet, regulation height off the ground there, and got some controls and whatnot. And there's the gas hose. There's the gas water heater. Very careful with that. That's the outlet for the high pressure output. That goes scalding water that comes out, and it's gonna grip it and shoot it out. And oh, God's sake, stay away from it. And I like to put a little tea at the bottom, a little cup. You get scalding hot water like that, you're really gonna want to have some nice tea. And let's look at our tools today. We're gonna need tools. Very important to always have your toolbox ready and handy with all sorts of tools, screwdrivers, and I'm not sure what that is. That looks like a toy. One of my kids got in the toolbox. Well, you need your clamps and your screwdrivers, and I like a fishing rod, and so you can really, when you need to get something, oh God. Oh, God, no. Oh, God. The hose. All right. Okay, well, I don't think it's that bad. It's just, it's a little noise. It's fine. It's fine. Well, it's natural. It's a natural gas, and, it's all nature. So, anyhow, we have the igniter, and we've got the button, and I can get a little
Uzi, but you need a spark. It makes a spark, and spoons. You need spoons, and always have a fork. The spoon will try to screw you over, and you can. It's very low. Low place. It's very low. Low river. Low. That's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. Oh, look at that.
And we're back. Quick ER visit, and had some guys clean up that hose. So, I think we're good. Do it yourself.